All that wax that we removed. Look at this, guy. Look at this. Come on now. Remember this? Yes, man.
Oh, Courtney, they're beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. I'm about to start YouTube.
I want to see my video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yay.
Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today is March the 4th. We are out here in Duluth, Georgia. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and she is so excited. Guys, we're going to be doing a very deep, aggressive cleaning on these floors. We got a lot of buildup and wax. The floors just really need a good cleaning. We're going to bring them back to life today with a cleaning, screening, color correction, and recoat. Actually, one of my colleagues, see right there, guys, color correction. So one of my colleagues recommended me to this client because they don't do this service. So Miss Smith called me, never came out, did a consultation, through pictures, videos. I gave her a price, said, Courtney, let's get it done. So what I'm going to be doing today, guys, it's a little bit over 700 square feet. We're going to be doing this hallway. We're also going to be doing this dining room, also this living room. They move everything except the piano. Also here in this kitchen area, we're going to get some good before and after pictures, and then this dining room area. And then after this, I gotta go do 2 consultations. One is in Alpharetta, one is in Cummings. The one in Cummings is actually one of my repeat clients. She has a property she wants me to do, and then another one was a referral where I did their neighbor, and they moved out, and they want me to do the floors. So guys, kind of zoom in, see all right there, see all those scuff marks. That is an indication that there's some type of buildup on this floor. All right, guys. So me and Tavares is going to go ahead and see all right here, see all right there, guys. Oh, wow. Yep. All right, guys, let us get started. Stay tuned. Guys, look at that difference. Look at that difference. You can see the part I actually did this on purpose. Look where we stopped that, guys. Look at this. Look at that difference. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, guys, this floor is going to look amazing. Clients just left, said, Courtney, you know, that's one thing about it. When the clients see you all the time in homes, they trust you, and the client said, Courtney, if we're not back by the time you're done, just call us and we'll get you paid. Oh, wow. Amazing. All right, guys. All right, guys, I am starting the screening process. Want to get this floor smoothed down really good. Good thing about this floor is not stained, it's natural. But guys, I'm telling you, man, this floor is going to be a night and day difference, and I can already see it. So I'm using a different sequence when it comes to my screening pads. I'm using 2 different pads for different purposes, and I'm getting a really nice screen on this floor. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we haven't got the first coat down, but my client just got back, and I'm about to get her reaction of the floors. And again, this, come on in, Miss Smith. And,
Wow.
and we ain't even got the coating down yet.
Really?
No, ma'am. Removing all that wax. Like a different floor.
Wow, Courtney.
Yes.
Looks amazing.
Now wait till we get that coat down.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am. Got the first coat ready right here. Yes, ma'am.
Golly.
Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. Look at these floors now. You guys saw the beginning. Yes, ma'am.
Wow, Courtney.
You guys saw all that wax that we removed. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Come on now. Remember this?
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
oh, Courtney, they're beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. Now, guys, I will. Now, Miss Smith, how long y'all been living here?
2001.
2000. Oh, almost 20. What? 24 years.
24 years.
Is this the first time the floor has been touched?
Yes.
All right, guys. So,
Courtney.
guys, high five.
What's up?
Man, look at them floors.
Okay.
So, guys, I will say, 24 years floors is the first time it's been touched. Just anybody else would have came in here and said sand the floor, but again, I went, I did go a little bit above and beyond, and like you guys always hear me say, I do tell the clients they can expect a 50 to an 80% improvement, and this is definitely 80% improvement. So we got all that wax up, and actually I saw in the garage all that quick shine. Throw it away.
Trying.
Throw it away.
Oh, I don't put it on here. I use it for them clients.
The glass. But it was a lot of wax on here.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
That was before me.
Yep. Well, guys, man.
Put no quicksand on you.
Oh man, this looks so good. So good. All right, guys. Clients is happy. I'm happy. And I'm about to go do these consultations. We got a huge one tomorrow. Me and Tavares. I let him leave early. And we're going to be doing a screen and recoat in Roswell with UV Cure. Wow. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. This right here helps my skills. All right, guys. I have it on YouTube in about an hour.